How to soften mask only in one direction in Davinci Resolve. Move the playhead above your video and go to the color page. Right-click on empty space in the nodes area and choose Add Alpha Output. Connect blue to blue. From Window tab, you have options to add different kinds of masks. Add a rectangle mask. You can drag each of the red handles to soften the mask only in that direction. Also, you can soften the mask to a specific number in softness part of the Window tab. Add a circle mask. For a circle mask you only have option to soften it in all directions. Select the curve mask and add some points in the viewer. Now increase outside value to see the handles, and now you can soften it in any direction you want. The difference between this and rectangle mask is that you can drag the handles to anywhere you want here. For the gradient mask, also you have the option to soften it in one direction. Add a polygon mask. A polygon mask also is like a rectangle mask, but instead of softness in each direction, you have inside and outside softness.